The new Truma Combi CP Plus. The most compact mobile heater in Europe offers now first-class digital comfort. The new Truma Combi CP Plus, with new well-being functions for even more comfort on the move. Precisely adjustable interior temperature. Even faster initial heat up with the boost fan setting. Boost function for fast hot water supply. A 60% shorter wait. And twice as much time to enjoy your shower. All features can be programmed using a timer. Customize room and water temperature settings according to the time of day. Switches almost silently to the cooler nighttime setting, giving you restful sleep without having to get up. Perfectly comfortable temperatures, just like at home, with a central controller for Truma Combi and Saphir or Aventa climate control systems. A simple switch to a feel-good system. The new well-being functions are available from specialized retailers and also come with a Truma CP Plus retrofit option to upgrade all Combi heater series produced since 2007. Truma.